Hi, it's the next day and Shora is leaving right now. There's a bus right there. And I'm here to see her off. Oh, do you have anything to say?
I'm just so thankful and grateful that I got the chance to meet so many lovely people, including you.
Oh, thank you.
I feel very sad that we had so little time together,
But we're gonna meet again. Yeah, I'm making this video to hold her accountable, to trust herself a little bit more, and know that we'll meet again, because she's going to have many opportunities in this world to travel as much as she wants, and we can meet again and make an actual video where we're not rushing, because right now we're just rushing to get it done. And now the line is almost done. So once the line is done, they're here. They want to be the last ones in, and the bags are almost filled. And like, how long is it to the airport? Don't say the airport.
2 hours and 40 minutes or so.
2 hours and 40 minutes. And when is your flight?
4:30.
4:30?
Yeah, we have enough time.
Oh, okay, yeah, they have enough time. Good people traveling with enough time. Whenever I travel, like not for the past time. Have you heard it? Yeah. I guess I've told everyone. Yes, and it's not just in Korea. When I was coming here, I was going to miss my flight. I mean, I was 30 minutes to get into my flight, but they were checking me in for so long. She's like, oh, you cannot do this, you cannot do that. I'm like, okay, just give me a second. She's like, if you don't check in now, the gate is going to close. I was like, give me a second. I need to go there and get a bag and come up here. I missed that flight. Anyways, that's my flight story, but she's a good role model for taking flights and being there on time.
I'm a stressful traveler.
She's a stressful traveler, so she plans on time.
Hey girls.
Hi, this is Anton. I met him yesterday. He's also leaving with Shaura.
Yeah.
They're both Russians.
Yeah.
Where are you from, actually?
St. Petersburg.
He's Russian.
Russian.
Yeah, because Shaura was telling me how she's not ethnically Russian,
She's
but
Bashkir.
but she's nationally Russian.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're
Russian, but he also has.
I'm Russian, Ukrainian, and Greek. I'm international.
Can you
International.
Can you speak what do you call the language that?
Greek? No, I cannot speak Greek.
Oh, what of Ukrainian?
I can understand it.
It's kind of close to Russian.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's why I
really?
can understand it, but.
Well, my grandma is Ukrainian too.
Oh, do you understand it a little bit?
A little bit,
Oh
yeah.
my God, that is so fun. But yeah, we're just talking about.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm just getting back on.
Oh no, you just.
Bye, Anton. The entirety of the